relying on God's strength.
All right, let's move on to Monday, February 17th, and Mark 4.41. It's the disciples' reaction when Jesus calmed the storm.
Right.
And they feared exceedingly and said one to another, "What manner of man is this, that even the wind and the sea obey him?"
Y temieron con gran temor, y se decían el uno al otro, ¿quién es este que aun el viento y el mar le obedecen? In Spanish.
Their question, "What manner of man is this?" really stands out. It shows their awe at Jesus' power. He wasn't just a teacher, he had a power beyond human understanding. Even the disciples who were close to him were still grasping